So you will decide all about the things of the audience of mixture from school to university level. So basically, we are arranging this meet for inspire our students, particularly the science students. So that is our motto. I think you will enjoy the session, and we will arrange everything. Firstly, you meet at the principal chamber, from principal chambers to auditorium. Okay. So I request all other faculty members of Malda College, if there is any other issues, to talk with Suborno so that we can smoothly organize this program. So after the program of in the first session, there will be a second session at University of Gour, particularly for the interactive session. So Gour principal and dean will talk about the programs. So this is our plan.
So, let us hear from Professor Sugarnagic very first, so that he can also express his after 1 year of visitation to India again. So, Professor Buddy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm very excited to visit India again. It's been a very long time, which is unfortunate, but I've been focusing on my studies a lot, and I think through that I will hopefully be able to inspire more and more students. Also, I read a very inspiring book on science myself just a few days ago. And even though it's intended for all audiences, it doesn't get into the deep mathematics, it really inspired me to start asking questions. The book is all about a lot of weird scientific questions, and it made me realize that science isn't just about the answers, it's also about asking the right questions. And when you finally get the answers to those, keep asking questions and seeing where it takes you. It's kind of like an art in itself. And I think that's something I failed to do in my previous lectures that I want to facilitate in this visit. Just a lot more questioning, encouraging the students to ask questions instead of having them do it by themselves at the end.
Sure, sure. We will obey your and we will follow your words extremely and seriously. I think you will enjoy this town. Please come. You are welcome very well. I think Malda town is historically very sound place. Already I told you maybe before 1 year back I told you, and that time you showed the interest, you and your father, and it is our proud privilege to see you in my institute again. And I think along with me and together with me, all the people will enjoy and will interact you. Everybody is eagerly waiting for you. Anyway, Professor Devnath, hello, Pradeep Devnath, Dean, uh, Gideon, Devpadu Babu.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
If you have anything to say,
No, I think it is a very good approach proposed by Professor Suborno. We will try to encourage our students to ask questions about their queries, and we will try to arrange everything according to the protocol. And I also hope you will be a pleasant trip at Malda. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
thank you, Professor Devnath and Professor Bani. If you have any, please advise us anything.
I mean, myself, I think I think honestly, I don't know that many direct teaching techniques, but I think unlike history or the arts, you don't need as much of those when it comes to math and science. You just need the raw spirit, and you need to encourage your students to do the science themselves. Unlike history or art, you don't need an engaging teaching strategy to keep them along for the whole lesson because science in itself is a very engaging subject. So I think that honestly, my biggest job here to do is not to come up with a new teaching strategy, but just to have the raw inspiration. And once you spread that raw inspiration to one student, that student spreads it to another student, and soon the whole crowd is inspired and ready to ask new questions for some time. And the thing is, like riding a bike, once you know that you have that spirit once, you will always remember back to it just as you're about to lose it. So just like riding the bike, you never lose that knowledge as soon as you learn how to do it. You never lose that spirit of science whenever you gain it.
Surely, surely. So,
Hello, hello, hello,
Hello.
Audible, please. Carry on.
hello. Good morning to everybody. Although it may be midnight in New USA, New Year mainly. And Professor Bari, we are excited to welcome you in Malda College. I have one question and another point to know. Question is, will you deliver your lecture on any particular topic
Yes.
of physics and mathematics? May we know the topic before you deliver the lecture? So we can get prepared on it.
Yes. So I think it's kind of weak if you just speak without knowing your topic first. So my topic, I'm hoping for it to be on analytic number theory because that's where I have the most expertise. And I think it's also important because number theory, as you probably know, has two different approaches to it. You have analytic number theory and algebraic number theory. Each different approaches to number theory from totally different areas of math. And I wanted to show maybe the higher level students that you can connect these two very separate areas of math in a very beautiful way in the center of a specific unsolved problem. So I wanted to talk about that unsolved problem. Of course, I can't solve it. I can't solve it myself, and I definitely can't present the solution in a seminar. But I want to talk about the unsolved problem and the progress that's been made on it from those two angles and inspire people to come up with maybe a third angle or a new way to look at one of the two angles and show there's not one rigid way to do mathematics.
That will be very exciting. Is there anything about physics? Any topic on physics?
Oh yeah, I do want to talk about quantum mechanics a little bit. I recently learned a lot about quantum mechanics through self-studying, and I realized that even though it was much more difficult than I expected, it was also a lot more interesting than I expected. And not just that, but the parts that were the most interesting were unexpected. I thought that spin and entanglement would be very interesting, but they turned out to be a little bit boring. But the parts that really interested me the most caught me off guard. So I wanted to give also a quick look into the book I used kind of took a mathematical approach to quantum mechanics. There was not that much physical interpretation inside it. So I think it would also be nice to look at quantum mechanics from that angle. I might be able to do something on general relativity, but because I haven't taken an official test on it, I don't know how skilled I am.
Okay, it will be also very exciting for us. And one request to you, maybe it may be a silly request, but may I request? The request is most of us are not comfortable in the US English accent, So may I request you kindly to deliver your lecture in a slower speed so that everybody can follow.
Yes, that's fine. It's not a silly request. I very commonly get it. And science should not be restricted to only people who can understand one language. Science should be spread no matter what language you speak or what accents you can understand. So I'll definitely try to speak slower so everyone can understand.
Thank you, thank you.
It's also useful for me because slower speed.
One more.
Oh, sorry. It's also useful for me because slower speed means less lecture material, so less preparation time.
Okay.
very good. One more request to Professor Subramanian. So you will also discuss with the new teaching methodology, particularly you told teaching methodology, if there any, okay. So you will discuss on this part also.
Okay. I'm definitely not as much of an expert on teaching methodology as the Dean of Education here. So I'm sure he can show you much better teaching methods than I can, especially for areas that are not in math and science. But I think that in math and science, the most important thing is the spirit, and my job is to bring that to the table.
Sure. Actually, we are the people, we are very exciting, so the expectation is too high. So many things are will be arranged. I think your advice, your process, always welcome. Okay, so please don't mind if we say anything wrong. Please don't take it otherwise. Please do what you like and what you love. No need. Actually, we have a lot of expectation from you because we are excited. Okay. So anyway, if anything we have any discussion, please do that. Otherwise, I think it is already midnight to him. Better to leave him, I think. I please ask Professor Devnath, Pradeep Devnath, right? So if you say, if you have anything to say, you can continue. Otherwise, it will be too much, no? Is it, Professor Wadi?
It's fine, totally
You
fine.
are already tired, no? No, it's okay.
I can go
think,
for 20, 30 more minutes. It's fine, it's fine. I'm very used to
Yeah,
staying
you
up.
okay. I know you very well. That you like, love to talk and love to interact. Anyway, Professor Devnath, Pradeep Devnath, if you have anything to say, please say. And here is also Piyush Kanti, I think, Piyush Babu. If you have anything, you can say. Otherwise, we can stop here. Is it? Principal sir.
Okay.
Sir, our demo science are also here.
Well, if he has something he can say also, please introduce yourself. Please. Big science.
Thank you, sir, for opportunity to meet the Suvarnabhai. This is one of my privilege. I have one question is that can you send us your topic through the WhatsApp or anything written or email? Because sometimes it is difficult to understand the topic, and we have to display this topic on the uh, lecture session. That's why we need your topic, which you would like to talk on the topic.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I'll send it to you through email.
Okay. This is our requirement. And if you have any question, you can ask us. We will also try to reply. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We will enjoy. When you come, we will enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Sure.
I had some problem with the network, sir.
Oh.
Okay. That's why you
First
have
of all,
been divided.
yes. Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this beautiful inaugural session. Okay.
Good morning.
Introductory session. However, I need to communicate one information to Professor Bari sir. Actually, as per my, I am receiving echo. Are you hearing properly?
Yes.
Yes, carry on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, as per my earlier discussion with Pranesh sir, the first major session in Malda College would be general in nature, and the second session in the university would be an interactive one, rigorously on maths and science with top 100 scholars and faculties. but that is not going to be here, sir. The audience in both the sessions would be a mixed one, comprising of on an average 50% from science disciplines and the rest 50% from other disciplines. So I would request you, sir, to address them accordingly. And regarding the topics, I don't want to impose anything on you, sir. This is up to you. This is up to you, sir, totally.
No, it's fine.
This is
Now that
my
I know
opinion,
this
and
information.
we are regularly, vehemently waiting for your grand mint.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
sir?
think, yes, totally. I think there is definitely a lot of inspiring stories I can also tell to a general audience without getting
Okay.
too complicated. So thank you for giving me this information so I don't mess up.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Professor Panis Devnath, actually I have missed you. If you have anything, any advice to us, please, you can
So,
communicate.
actually, it is very privileged for us to be in the historic University of Gour, Banga and Malda College. Especially, our main guest will be the Professor Subhanajay Bari. And accordingly, I have already conveyed our, the why will be there with probably the Professor Kodip Devnath sir. So, thing will be very interactive, sir. I hope the students should be given more, chances to be interacted with the Professor Bari. And all the scholars, of course, will be present in the session, sir. And all will be okay, sir. No problem, sir.
You are also coming?
Yes, sir. I will also join. Yes, sir. Yes, I am also accompanying Professor Bari, sir.
It is our
Yes, sir.
proud privilege to welcome you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Now, having been in Malda before,
No, sir. This will be my first visitation, sir, in Malda, sir.
actually this town is historically very sound. If you come, you will see so many very historical places. I think we can try to show the places to Professor Bari because I know he loves this type of historical place to visit. We will try. Professor Bari, at the last, if you have any time, if you give me our chance, I will try to go with you like Badwa. Can you remember that one, recapitulate that one? We will enjoy the evening with you. Anyway, everyone is very much welcome to that beautiful occasion on 27th August. Hopefully, it will be very fantastic one, and we are very excited to meet Professor Bari. I would like to say Bisway Balo. It's a very it will be a very good one. I think so. We are expecting. So this morning session is also very fantastic one because we have made so many people here and together with above all Professor Bari. I think if anybody don't have any word, can we end up this one?
Sir, before the end of this session, so I would like to, elaborate the Professor Bari's visitation program to India 2025. So Professor Bari is first will be arriving in India on 24th by morning, and then will be moving to IIT Kharagpur for 25th of sessions, and then from there to IIT Madras on
Yes,
26th.
I knew that one. IIT Chennai.
Yeah. Okay. So that way, we have a very hectic schedule for 5-6 days there.
From Chennai to Kolkata.
From again Chennai to Kolkata and then to Malda. And then
Why Kolkata to Malda by car or by train?
By train. We have booked a train, sir. By train will be arriving by 7 o'clock will be in Malda town station, sir.
Which train? Podatik. Which train?
It is 11:35 train from Howrah.
But I don't know, already it has been scheduled. Better come by Bande Bharat. It will arrive definitely 10:15 at Malda. Isn't it, Principal Sir?
No, sir. Vande Bharat, it will be more hectic. So 10:30, 11 o'clock the scheduled time for the first session at Malda. It is better already ticket has been booked.
No, already he has done, no problem. No, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, okay.
So this is a question.
Mm-hmm.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Please introduce.
My question is related to Professor Bari
Hmm.
regarding the topic that you selected for mathematics.
Number theory.
I heard that it is number theory. Will it be elementary number theory or advanced number theory, more related to algebraic number theory?
It will be a little bit related to algebraic number theory. I want to keep it as simple as possible. Since it's going to be a general audience, I probably won't introduce any complex analysis. So
The
I'll
student
keep
will
it
be
elementary.
comprising school student, undergraduate student. Oh. So I think it will be better if it is more related to elementary number theory. They will be able to comprehend your deliberations.
Okay.
So far, my last experience, he used to start very primitive, starting from the fundamental. I think everybody will enjoy. I think so, probably. Isn't it, Professor Bari?
Yes.
Last time, where I have experience, I have got an experience, starting from. But from there, it will go to up, one by one. I think it should be a freedom to Professor Bari. Otherwise, he will not explain. Anyway, I think let him. He is a wise person. I think he will do.
I have some question to Professor Pranand Devnath, sir. Sir, what is the schedule to leave Malda?
From Malda, we have scheduled for Bipur, Banga. So I can leave by 6-7 o'clock in the evening from Malda.
Oh, on 27.
Very
Yeah,
tight.
on 27. Yes, sir.
Okay,
That's
and you will go there by car, I think.
Yes, we will go by car only, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, from Malda, you will leave Malda by car to
Yes, sir.
Darbhanga.
Darbhanga, it's a bit. Darbhanga by car only, sir. It's a 270 kilometers distance, sir.
If you don't mind, would you please send this schedule to
Yes,
our
sir.
coordinator?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Please don't mind. It would be good for
It's
the
already known.
principal sir and our coordinator of this celebration.
Yes, sir. I have already shared with Professor Pradipta, sir. The schedule already shared with you, sir.
Okay. As I don't know, that's why I have asked.
Yes, sir. I can understand, sir. No problem, sir.
This side is time for record.
Okay. So I think we can leave now, Professor Bari.
Okay.
If you don't have any question to ask or any advice to ask, so please take rest.
Thank you.
May I take this one?
So any closing notes from Professor Bari?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
If you have any closing notes, okay.
okay.
Of today's meeting.
Thank you all very much for, thank you all very much. It's been a wonderful meeting, getting to meet some people again and getting to meet some people for the first time. I'm very excited to visit Malda College in person for the first time, and I'm hoping that every single session will be very fruitful.
Good night, Professor Bari.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Professor Bari. Have a sound
Thank you. So I think from here, good morning, and also from you to you, good night, and all of you, please